and welcome to this exciting tutorial in which we are going to learn how to design this Unity logo. So here we are in Illustrator. I am using a screen size or artboard size of 1920 by 1080 in RGB format, and I've already created my color palette, which is up here in the top left corner. And the first thing we are going to do is to create a grid out of which we are going to get our shapes. So to do that, I'm going to pick the pen tool and ensure that I have a black outline and no fill. Next, I'm going to draw a vertical line. Hold down Shift whilst you draw a vertical line. And let's duplicate the line. So first thing I'm going to do is hold down Shift and Alt whilst I drag to my right. And then for the subsequent lines, I hold down Ctrl and press D repeatedly. I need 7 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 lines. I'm going to select all, bring everything to the middle of the page, and group. Right click, group. Now select everything once again and select your rotation tool. Now hold down Alt whilst you press click on the middle and then this dialog appears. We want to make a copy of it, so we enter an angle. The angle should be 60 degrees and you have a preview of it, so you press copy, not okay, press copy. So you have a copy of it. So we want to duplicate this once again. So we are going to duplicate again. And I think that is it. Right, so you can select everything and bring it up a little bit. No, so it's out of this that we are going to create our Unity logo. So we're going to use the shape builder tool, which is just under this scissors. This is the shape builder tool. So you can click on it, and then, but before then, always make sure everything is selected like this. Pick the shape builder tool and start building your shape. So you can see you can build shapes out of what we've created. So let me press Ctrl Z to come back to something like this. And I'm going to start with the blue color, the one up here. So to do that, I'm going to pick my color picker tool, press on that color once. Now pick my shape builder tool and then I draw my first T. So now let's draw the next T, which happens to be the pink one on top. So you select the color picker tool and then select the color. First you need to make sure nothing here is selected first, else it will keep on changing the color of the first one you drew. So we have selected a pink color. Now select everything again. Like this. Pick the shape builder. Let's draw our second T. Just click and drag over the areas that you want your T to cover. And then we repeat the process for the last one. That will be the yellow one. So we are almost halfway through. So now we need to add the 3D effect, which is the sides and stuff. So those will be taken over by these colors. So just as we did for the T or the three T's, do the same thing. Pick the color picker tool and then go ahead and do the rest. So pick this blue. For this side. So I'm going to complete everything for the blue T shape builder. Now complete everything for the pink. So we are almost done, but we still need to take care of the grid that we created in creating this Unity logo. So to take care of that, we are first going to create a stroke or an outline so that it will be visible. So that is what I've just done. Select black. So we can have this outline showing that this is the stroke that we used. Now we need to ungroup everything. So select everything just as I've done and ungroup. Now click on one of the grids. You realize that in the beginning we grouped them before duplicating. So you need to ungroup that as well. Select ungroup. Ungroup. Done. So now we have them in single lines. Now select any one line like this, then we go to select at the top menu, select here, go to same and select fill and stroke. So in doing that, it selects all the strokes that you have created, and then just press delete on the keyboard and then everything is gone. So everything that helped you in building the shape is gone, and now all you are left with is the logo that we've created. Now you can still take out the outline if you don't like it. You can keep it this way. You can take out the outline by selecting everything, going back to the stroke and selecting none. So we are done with our Unity logo. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to this channel and like and share this video as well. Till I see you in the next video, enjoy the rest of your day.